Hello and welcome to Simple Slides. My name is George. Today I'm going to show you really quickly how you can create a presentation in 3 minutes or less using Simple Slides. When you get access to Simple Slides, what you'll get is this variety of building blocks that allow you to quickly build any presentation you might need for any different industry that you might find yourself in, be it medical, education, business. You're doing a proposal, you're doing you're pitching your business, you have a startup. No matter what you're working on, we have the building blocks to help you make a perfect presentation quickly and easily. And so what I'll show you today is a quick education presentation that I'll use as an example. So to start with, I'm going to grab an introduction because obviously I would like to introduce my slides before I get started. So I'm also going to create a quick blank new presentation for me. I'll go in here, grab whatever slide I want to start with, which I know I like this introduction slide. It's very clean and simple. So I'm going to come in here and add that slide to my deck. And that is my starting point. Then, because I'm going to be talking about geography and history here today, I'm going to go and grab some maps because I know that for the students that I'm working with, I need to be able to show off some nice map statistics. So we've got a whole bunch. As you saw in the folder, there was a lot of map options, but I just know I like this one specifically. So I'm going to grab a couple slides from this and move them into my new presentation. And you'll see I'm quickly building out a presentation here that has all sorts of content for whatever I'm talking about. And then I want to add a timeline because obviously history is a time span that needs history. So I'm going to grab this timeline history right here, and I'm going to add that to my presentation as well by going and copying that, moving over to my new one. I'm going to put that actually above the maps. And then, I also want to add some of the education specific stuff that we have. So I'm going to go in here and I decide, let's see, I want to do maybe one of these or one of these. I don't know if I love that one necessarily. I actually decide, I don't really want to use any of these. So I'm actually going to close that. I'm going to go back over here. I'm going to go look at some of the infographics that I have access to as well. Let's see, I've got a whole bunch in here. So let's take a look. And I really want to show off some of the statistics in a really good way. So I'm looking for some statistic-based ones. And let's see, I see one here that I like. Yeah, this one's a great one. It's got a lot of different numbers and things like that, and I can add a bunch of text. So I'm going to go grab that and add that to my presentation. I'm going to put that now near the bottom. And then let's see, I also want to probably add a closing section for this. So I'm going to add, let's see here, we've got some break slides. This one's, I think, perfect. I'll change the color, but it has all of there's like a nice quote, which I like because then I can leave the students with a beautiful quote. So I'll add that in there, and then I will add and find a quote that I like later for the presentation. But you'll see we'll quickly have 8 slides here that quickly we'll go through whatever we're looking for that show off all the data in a way that's going to be really clean and easy to understand for people. And then the last thing I want to show you is some of the animations on these slides because I think these are really cool. This is one of the things that we believe stands Simple Slides out from the pack, which is everything is animated. And you'll see here, this is so much more eye-catching and promising and just engaging with your audience than a standard just normal flat slide. So all of these have animations in them. You'll quickly see this will show off your statistics and your presentation the best way possible. So that's what makes Simple Slides so simple. We have a unique building block infrastructure that allows you to quickly put together all the pieces to build any kind of presentation rather than just pigeonholing you to a specific genre or a specific type of infographics. We give you a full breadth of options so you can actually create any type of presentation you may ever need. And these building blocks are growing by the day. So grab that premium lifetime access so you're able to get all the new building blocks that we come out with every month and be able to build the greatest and simplest presentations ever. So give us a try. There'll be a link in the download description. You can get your free sample to start with so you can see what it's all about. And then after that, get access to the premium pack. So you get not only this, but also all of our expert training materials on PowerPoint and all the other products that are in the Microsoft Office suite. So if you have any questions, let our support team know. We'd be happy to help. But we hope this gives you a glimpse into what Simple Slides is all about.